Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to build a website in WordPress in under 5 minutes. I also have some bonus tips for you, so make sure to watch till the end. So if you are on this type of dull looking WordPress page and you want to convert from this section to this kind of amazing website which serves a lot of purposes for your portfolio, maybe your personal brand, and if you want to showcase something, you can easily do that, and it is going to be completely free. So let's just learn how you can actually do it. So first of all, from your dashboard, all you need to do is simply install 2 or 3 plugins. So ones that I suggest is head over to your plugin section from the left side of your screen and head over to add plugins, or you can see we have various other options as well. Click on add plugins and you can see a couple of plugins showing up in here. Now I want you to search in here for Elementor, just like that. And once you search in here for Elementor, it is going to be coming up with some Elementor website builder and more than just pages. So make sure that it is installed. If you do not have it installed, something like this is going to be written in here. Install this plugin, and also you can install another plugin in here which is called the Seed Designer. So you can see we have our seed prod, so make sure that you can install this one as well, and it is going to be helping you even more. So you can click on this install now button and just wait for a couple of seconds. Now once it is done, we are ready to go. So what we need to do is simply now head over to our themes section. To navigate over to theme section, appearance and themes. From here, choose the best theme that you're going to be working with. Currently I have activated Astra. If you want to dive into more serious themes, go to themes. So Astra is also one of the best themes out there, which is free. Of course, you will be able to see multiple premium themes as well in here, so you can jump into anything that you like. I currently have installed Astra, so I'm going to be working with that. Now it's time for creating pages. Head over to pages, and this is where Elementor comes into action. You can see I have created a several set of pages. Like I have homepage, which is designed in Elementor. You can edit it with Elementor as well. We have a contact, about. So once your theme is activated, your plugins are activated, it's time to adding our pages. So add any pages in here that you like, and to edit a page or add a page, it is really simple. Let's just say you have this home page or contact page. Let's just click on edit with Elementor, and we will have a block editing section which is really drag and drop, nothing more than that. And let's just say you want to incorporate different stuff in here. We have our title going on. Let's just change it to anything else, like for example my custom website, and you can see below we can change this as well. You can add in here subscribe, and yeah, so make sure to click on this publish button to save whatsoever formatting that you're doing. Now let's just head over to a bit down, or basically another page, and let's just say you want to add Google Forms in here. You can save and leave. Basically saving is the key here to save everything that you are updating. If you want to incorporate Google Forms, simply head over to forms and copy its HTML code, and here we have that. The code is basically going to be helping us to integrate our form inside our website. So head over to any form or build from scratch. I'm going to be just copying this for saving the time. So let's just click on more, and you can see we have a HTML embed HTML option. You can easily copy this. Make sure that it is published, or else it is going to be showing up a published error. So yeah, now let's just go back to our editing section. Alright, here on our contact us page, I want to incorporate my Google Forms so people can have a survey or anything that you want to add basically here, and search in here for a widget on the left side of your screen, which is going to be powered by Elementor HTML, and drag and drop onto your section. Now you can see a code box just popped up, and we can paste in here that Google Form code, and you can see all of that code related to our form is now added in here. You can simply click on publish and even head over to the front end section to see the preview changes, and you can see this is the contact us page. If you scroll down, all of that form is easily added, and it is also interactable. Now this is how you can add your Google form. Now if you want to incorporate, let's just say a video, right? Why not? So let's just say you want to do it on your home page directly. You do not want to do it onto any other page. So you can switch to your home page from top, click on home, and here you can incorporate your YouTube video from the left side of your screen. Super easy to do. Let's just say I want to add it for our services, and I can click on this plus icon and move this. This is basically a divider, and this is the section that we added, or a container. So you can also delete it anytime if you do not need it. And if you want to add a section in here, of course you're going to be needing to add another section in here. And to do it, you can either click on these plus icons to add a container, or the easiest way to do it is simply use this container drop down and paste it over the desired place. So I want it off for the services section, or maybe on top of that. And yeah, so now we need to simply add in here our element, which is going to be video. Drag and drop video and paste in here the YouTube link that you want. So you can head over to YouTube. Like for example, I'm going to be going to my YouTube channel, and let's just say I want to incorporate any video related to my own channel or anything else. Let's just say we want to incorporate in here something from DJI. For some reason, the latest Osmo action, I'm going to be copying its link. Sorry about that. Okay, so I can copy its link and go back to my page, and you can see currently we have a placeholder video. We're going to be replacing the link from the left side of our screen, and in just a few seconds the video is now embedded. So you can click on publish, and now let's just head over to the front end section and see how our video is looking. You can see our custom text is added, our DJI Osmo Action 6 video is added, and if you jump onto your contact page, you have even added your Google Forms. So if you want to learn to add anything else onto your website, you can simply subscribe to our channel, because we are going to be uploading much more guide tutorial videos for this as well, and you will have to learn a lot. So you can see, really easy, simple, and we turned into our WordPress dashboard to successful website, which is going to be helping us to boost our platform sales or personal brand. So I hope this was helpful. If it was, press that like button and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.